type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa.
What's up, EP Crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe and go check out some more of my affordable videos. Today, I'm coming with another affordable slay, okay? I'm going to be doing this affordable bone straight wig from Alibele hair. It is in 24 inches and it's 150 density. I will leave links down below to everything. I'm going to be doing a review, install, pros and cons, what I like and what I don't like about the wig. So stay tuned and I will give you all the details.
should've put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my delivery, they had to talk aside. I'm in that 80 and one of them, so it's different fire. I try to pay all your loans off and got me to drive. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I should have moved your way too close before I copy all this hype. You wanna be my number one, and I ain't like the main thing. I let you pay my number two, you barely made a second change. Put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. Hey, self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rock in it. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you pouring vegan but still refill on me again? How the fuck you swing so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap with. I see it back in search, remember who took it first, so don't you forget it. That's you with, we ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep saying. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good, so you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja. Should've put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my delivery, they had to talk aside. I'm in that 80 and one of them, so it's different fire. I try to pay all your loans off and got me to drive. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I should have moved your way too close before I copy all this hype. You wanna be my number one, and I ain't like the main thing. I let you pay my number two, you barely made a second change. I should put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. Hey, self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rock in it. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still beef on me again? How the fuck you swing so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap, man. I see you back in church, remember who took it at first, and don't you forget it. That's you with, we ain't got back on the shit. I headed to Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in six with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desire.
So let's talk about the hair. It is quite thin. It is only a 4x4 wig, as you can see when I was installing it. The density is 150. I don't know what kind of hair it is. It doesn't say. I know it's human hair. I don't know if it's Remy, Malaysian. It doesn't say on the website or on the store on AliExpress. It's 24 inches, 150 density. So it is quite thin, but it's pretty natural looking. It's not pre-plucked. It's not bleached. I did have to go in and pluck by myself. It did come with the middle part. The wig is optional. You can get it in a 13x6. You can get it in a 13x4, but the density, they don't let you choose, I guess. I was noticing that on the website. The hair itself overall is fantastic. I obviously did just put it on, but I did notice that I did have to put a little bit of wig oil in it because the flyaways, I still have a couple flyaways. They are a little, I don't know how to explain it. I did have a lot of flyaways and it wasn't hard to get flat. I do have a little bit more work to do. I could do some more plucking. I didn't want to make any baby hair. I do like this look, this clean, sleek look. No baby hairs, bone straight down the middle. Another thing I want to talk about is the ends. I can say that not every strand reached 24 inches. I can say that. It is pretty layered. I can tell that there's probably like a 22-inch bundle in there in the front somewhere, but it is quite thin. It does give it more of a natural look. I didn't have any crazy bad shedding, but I couldn't 100% tell because I did pluck it. So I will do an update for you guys. You know, I always come through with the 1 month, 4 month, however long that this wig holds up. I will do an update. I will leave links down below to everything. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros, the hair is wonderful. It is some really nice hair. Affordable. It was very easy to install. It was big head friendly. It came with combs and adjustable straps in the back. Only, I think, 5 days, 3 to 5 days shipping to get to the US. The company had great communication. They have a lot of reviews on their store, a lot of stars, a lot of great reviews. Cons I want to talk about is that it's not plucked. It's a super thick hairline. The lace overall is pretty good. It has a good lace to it. It is quite thin. I'm scared that if it sheds really bad, if it does start to shed really bad, that the wig will get thin on me because it's already thin and I just don't know how long it's gonna last before it doesn't look good anymore. Stitching and the way the wig is sewed is flawless, beautiful. So the only cons I can say is that it has a thick hairline, it's not plucked, it's not bleached, and it's thin. That's all really bad that I have to say about it, but for the price, it is very bomb. I'm not gonna put a set price because it's different prices based off of the frontal and the length of the wig. But to me, it's very affordable. It's the most affordable bone straight wig that I have found. And the hair is bomb. I don't see any indenting and it's very lively and very flowy. When I pull it to the front like this, it's not super thin, but you can kind of see how thin it is. But it looks pretty natural to me. It's pretty true to length. Like I said, only like a couple strands hit 24 inches. So there is probably like a 22-inch bundle in there. I completely love this hair. It's so beautiful. Like I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, let me chill. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications because I have some affordable bangers that I'm going to be putting out very soon. I'm trying to be more consistent for you guys. I appreciate anyone who has made it to the end of this video. I love all my subscribers. I love all my supporters. Like, I try my best to answer all the questions in the comments that you have and to answer them timely and proficiently. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Go check out some more of my affordable videos. I have more affordable wig units that are way cheaper than this. I will leave the links down below to that. And thank you guys for watching with EPTV.